it going? So today I wanted to bring you a different type of video. I'm a makeup girl. I love makeup, but I'm not one to like always wear it because hello, yeah, natural skin. But I recently discovered today, I went to Ulta and I found this palette right here, the Nikita palette by Morphe. If you're not familiar with Morphe, it is a great company. This is what the Nikita palette looks like. So this is the Nikita palette. I'm like obsessed with these colors, and I'm gonna do my makeup. Like I said, not something I normally would do. Doing something a little bit different, little makeup guru Cash. Hey! Yeah. Oh, and by the way, my name is Cash if y'all don't know me. So. Hey guys. So, like I said, I got the Nikita palette. And we're gonna use that. Again, I'm showing you. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I've kind of looked at the colors, and like I said, I really like. I just noticed this color here. It's very similar. This one right here. It's called Full Fantasy. So there's that one. It's really nice, and that one has like. Oh, it's like a gray and purple, and the other one, the Metamorphosis, is like blue and purple. So that one there and that one there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the set yet, what colors I'm gonna pick, but this Dip Shape and Go brow pomade. So yeah, if you guys can see that. This color is. Oh, it's on the bottom. Ash brown. I got dark eyebrows. So, yeah, let's get to it. And just a quick heads up, I will leave everything down below in the description that I used. Even the Nikita palette, the diamonds and ice, and the other things that I have. Okay, here we go.
2,000 years later.
Okay, yeah. So, this is. There we go. I got a whole face. Put the whole look together. I don't know, but this is my look. Here we go. Thanks for sitting with me, all. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw and you would like to see more of all the things that I do, please subscribe, comment, let me know how I did, and like the video. See you next time. Bye.